What's up, guys? We're back here with another video coming to you live. I know I've been gone a long time, but I've honestly been really busy and flipping cars hasn't been one of my priorities. So we have a little free time now, so we can put some money into something and see if we come up on a deal or not. So I just actually got a 2006 BMW X3 clean title. I don't know why I bought clean title. I honestly didn't think I was gonna win it, but we'll see what it looks like when it gets here. So here it is, guys, a 2006 BMW i3, a BMW X3. Here it is, guys, 2006 BMW X3. Runs and drives, clean title, Iaai. Inside looks, of course, it looks dirty as always. Looks dirty. Let's see. Needs a, okay, we got some action here. We got some beeping going on. Let's pop that hood and see if we got anything. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a dud. However, I didn't pay full cash for it yet. I just paid the deposit, so I came to check it out before I actually put some money into this thing. And if you guys see that, that's inside the motor. It looks like it's like, I guess, water of some sort. This one might be a dud. Like I said, water in there is completely drained out. Like I said, this is a bad buy. I actually didn't pay for it in full. I only paid the deposit. So I'm happy losing the deposit rather than the whole thing, of course. Really want to just no check engine light. No check engine light. See if we got any. Yep, we got white smoke coming out the back. So that's not good. AC blows cold. It's like a radio. It's pretty beat. Interior sucks. Does this work? Okay, the top works. Top does work. Okay, that's cool. Okay, as you guys see, it's 126,000 miles. Just driving it around the parking lot before I make my decision. Some guy who was here, he told me that it wouldn't be a good buy. I should just leave it. But I mean, oh yeah, it's starting to go up in temperature. Let's see. I just want to make sure that, oh yeah, there it goes. It's boosting up. Let's see. It's jumping. It's jumping. Yeah, this one is gonna be a no-go. That thing is freaking on the red. See, look, it's on the red. I'm parking this thing back. It's on the red, guys. And there it is, guys. You guys hear the knocking now. Yep, I know you guys hear that knocking. That's no good, guys. Okay, so I won't be buying this car.